Alright, so I'm going to do a taste test and review on the New Zealand spinach. Now, from what I know about New Zealand spinach, is in some states in the United States it's actually considered an invasive species and you can't sell the seeds to those states. So, I mean, I don't know too much more about it other than that, but this is it right here. And it flopped over. It just got really tall and big and it flopped all the way over, but I'll show it to you. It's getting ready to die, it looks like. I really should harvest this, but it's got seeds on it, so I want to save the seeds to this. That's the only reason why I'm leaving it the way it is and not really harvesting. But we'll pick some of these fresh leaves and we'll give it a try. The seeds come out right here on the very node point right there. Those will turn into seed pods, and then once they're ready, I'll collect those seeds. So let's pick a leaf and give it a taste test. That's what it looks like. And this plant can get quite big too, by the way. This thing can get pretty huge. I don't know how many feet high, maybe 3 feet high, and spread itself out like an octopus. Alright, so here it is. This is the New Zealand spinach, and let's give it a taste test and see what it tastes like. I'll try to describe it the best way I can. It's really hard to start describing these green leafy type vegetables because it tastes like a leafy green vegetable. I mean, I don't know any other way to describe it. It's not like trying to taste test a pepper. It's, you know, this is a little more difficult. So let's see what that tastes like. Well, it doesn't taste anything like spinach. It has like almost a salty flavor to it. It's got like a very slight tangy flavor, but it doesn't taste like spinach. I can tell you that right now. It's not bad tasting. It's different. It's in a world of its own. I'm almost inclined to say that it's got a spicy flavor to it. Again, when I say spicy, I'm talking about something that might repeat itself on you. And it almost feels like that. Almost kind of feels like it might have that. But that might be the oxalic acid that's in there or one of the other ones. But it's got a flavor of its own. It's really hard to describe. It almost tastes like it's got some nutty undertones to it. And it's pretty good in flavor. I mean, I don't know if... Now, this is already a matured plant with seeds, so maybe if you eat it younger, it might taste a little differently, so it's hard to say. But it does feel like it has some kind of a slight... I don't know. I was almost going to say heat to it, but I don't know if I could say that. That could be because I was doing peppers before, so maybe I'm getting a little heat on my lips from that. But you know how like radishes got like a little bit of a heat to them, like almost? It almost feels something like that. But it might just be because I was cleaning peppers, so. Well, the only thing I can say is it doesn't taste like a green leafy type of a plant, like a weed per se. It doesn't taste like a lawn weed. It has a very nice flavor to it. Actually, I can't really describe what it tastes like. It doesn't taste like really anything that I can think of off the top of my head. It just has its own flavor. And the only thing I could say is it's got like a slightly nutty overtone or undertone to it. It does have that maybe salty effect a little bit. It's hard to say if it's salty tasting. And it has a little bit of a tang to it, but that's about it. It's kind of neutral in flavor. The flavor doesn't last in your mouth very long. It kind of comes and then it goes. So it's not something that's sticking around a long time. But outside of that, I really can't can't say too much more about it. I mean, it's a good green, alternative green to eat, other than, you know, lettuce. It almost tastes like it a little bit like lettuce too, very slightly like lettuce. As you eat lettuce, it hits different regions of your tongue, and different flavor sensations come from that. And this is hitting a certain region of my tongue that's almost making me think like maybe a lettuce a little bit. It has that kind of a flavor, but it's not anything strong. It's not like arugula, for example. It's nothing like that. It's definitely a more mild thing. It is crunchy and crispy. And that's about all I can say about it, you know. Give it a try. If I can get seeds from this, I will try to offer seeds. If you're in a state where I can't ship them, I won't be able to ship seeds to your state. But I will do my best to get seeds for 2018. So look forward to that in October, November. And like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.